Hey, welcome to 37A Pat's Road in Plainland. This beautiful 5.33 acre property is ready for you to come in and put your own stamp on this property. Come and check it out, it's a cracker of a deal. Plainland, a thriving and rapidly growing community in the Lockyer Valley. Known for its picturesque surroundings and small town charm, Plainland is now on the brink of an exciting transformation. With major new developments underway, including expanded retail precincts, upgraded transport links, and a growing selection of quality schools, Plainland is quickly becoming a hub for families, professionals and investors alike. And here at 37A Pat's Road, you have the opportunity to secure a piece of this booming market situated on 5.33 acres of prime land. This 4-bedroom home is more than just a property, it's a gateway to the future. Investing here means you'll benefit from the region's soaring property values. As new infrastructure and amenities continue to drive demand, whether you're looking to renovate and flip or create your own dream lifestyle, the possibilities here are endless. Plainland's bright future is just beginning, and 37A Pat's Road is your chance to be part of it. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to invest in a region that's set to soar. For more details, contact me today. This is a beautiful home. Imagine coming home every night to your very own cows. Give them a good pat in the head and give a run over to your horses. This is your dream home. Come put your stamp on this today.